Managing sales commissions in Salesforce can feel like a game of whack-a-mole. You close a deal, and then the real work begins, chasing data, building formulas, and troubleshooting spreadsheets just to figure out what you're owed. The whole process can be a black box, leaving your sales team in the dark and your finance team drowning in manual work. But what if there was a better way? Spiff is a sales commission platform, acquired by Salesforce, that takes commission management to a whole new level. While Salesforce's native tools can handle some of the basics, Spiff is purpose-built to automate and streamline the entire process. Let's break down the differences. In Salesforce alone, you're building custom objects, creating complex formulas, and relying on flows to calculate commissions. It's doable for simple plans, but what about when you add tiers, accelerators, or spiffs for a specific product push? That's where things get complicated. Manual errors become a huge risk, and updating plans can be a nightmare. Spiff, on the other hand, provides an intuitive, no-code designer that looks and feels like a spreadsheet. You can visually build and model your compensation plans with a simple drag-and-drop interface, making it easy to handle even the most intricate structures. Changes that would take hours in Salesforce can be done in minutes with Spiff. For the sales team, the difference is night and day. With native Salesforce, they might see a commission amount in a field on the opportunity, but they don't have the full picture. Spiff embeds a component right within Salesforce, giving reps real-time visibility into their potential earnings and showing them exactly how a new deal will impact their commissions. They can even see the calculation breakdown, fostering trust and transparency. And for finance and sales ops, Spiff means getting back to strategic work instead of fighting fires. The platform provides a full audit trail for every calculation, and you can automate statement approvals and payroll exports with a single click. Spiff is the dedicated engine for commission management, integrated seamlessly within Salesforce. It's the difference between building a custom car with a screwdriver and using a purpose-built factory. Spiff gives you a powerful, scalable, and transparent way to manage commissions, so your teams can stop worrying about their paychecks and focus on what they do best, selling.